Okay, here we are, IWF 2022 Atlanta. It's a 50 horsepower Atlas Copco vacuum pump made into the Anderson Exact Duo twin table. This is a monster machine. It does have the same AGMVP interface and portable pedestal that all the other models of the show have. And then on the left, we've got our Anderson Selexx 510 full line. That's automatic loading and unloading, in addition to an MLS. We'll talk about that in just a second. And then over in the opposite corner, the final machine in this booth is making its first show debut. That's the Anderson Spectrum. This machine is designed for a small to medium-sized shop. It does have the same 12 horsepower spindle and a 6-position drill head, along with the rack-style tool changer and the dual Becker pumps with the rack. Okay, back over to the Selexx full line with MLS. Now, this is the first time we've seen this. It's a newer offering where we've added the MLS system from the Stratos Pro to the Selexx. So now you have that option, and we're displaying that here at the show. What is a MLS? That's the multi-bunk loading system. So what that does is allow us to have 2, 4, or even 6 bunks behind the machine that can be chosen when needed based on the material stacks, and will automatically stage and load those sheets to the machine. So consider it like an automatic tool changer for your material. You don't have to manually load or go bring up a sheet or be stuck with just a single bunk of sheets until it's exhausted. You can go picking any of those 4 as the program calls for it. Of course, no show is complete without spending some time with Ed over at the Vantedge VTM edebander booth. This year they shared a space with SNX Technologies, another partner of ours who we sell glue and edge banding chemicals through. We had some really valuable time on here. We took a couple customers by. We got a chance to look at some in-depth information. I always learn something new when we get to go over these machines. We talked about the flat scraping unit. We spent some time on the gluing station and how that works, and also on the top and bottom trimming station.
Okay, here's the Dust Technology 5 horsepower entry-level dust collection unit. If you're looking for something besides a roll-around, this is a great option. Show special right now, free shipping. We do have one of these in stock in our showroom in Loomis as well. If you want to see one on display. Here we've got a 15 horsepower Hush 1500. That's got the optional DFD on there as well, and the upgraded blade style.
And there's no doubt winner of the most entertaining booth at the IWF 2022 would be the CNC Factory with their live music, DJ, and a custom CNC router themed hip hop song. And of course, the perfect way to cap the show was attending the 40th year anniversary for KCD Software. I went there with the crew from En Route. We had an amazing time, great food, great drinks, and a huge cake. Hope to see you next year in Las Vegas.